After unpacking your HP DeskJet 2600 series printer, it's time to install the setup ink cartridges. You must use the setup cartridges shipped with your printer. From the unboxed materials, grab the power cord and connect it to the printer, and the other end into a wall outlet. Press the power button to turn on the printer. Lower the output tray and then the ink cartridge access door. Remove the black setup cartridge from its package. Pull the tab to remove the plastic tape from the cartridge. Do not touch the copper-colored contacts or ink nozzles. Touching these can result in clogs, ink failure, and bad electrical connections. Make sure you install the replacement cartridge in its correct slot, tricolor on the left and black on the right. Hold the cartridge by its sides and slide it into its slot until it snaps into place. Repeat these steps to install the tricolor setup cartridge. Close the ink cartridge access door. The printer recognizes the setup cartridges and prepares the printer with the new ink.